Assalamualaikum, dear all. I hope you will be fine and doing well. Welcome to fourth year class. Today we are going to start sociology for part 2 through online medium. In the first introductory session, we will talk about some basic things. Number 1, the recommended book. Number 2, course outline. And number 3, paper pattern and marks division. First of all, I will talk about the recommended book that you have to read throughout the year, and the book is Theory and Research in Sociology. Its title is Imraniyati Nazriya Tehqiq, and its authors are Professor Abdul Hamid Taga and Professor Abdul Aziz Taga. First of all, you all have to purchase this book from the nearest bookshop, or you can also avail this book from your seniors. It's my humble request to all of you, please purchase this book so we can continue our online classes. The next thing is course outline. Here you can see the title of paper B, that is Sociological Theory, Research and Social Problems. Paper B will be divided in three different sections showing part A, sociological theory, part B, research methodology, part C, social problems. We will cover the whole syllabus in three different sections. The first two sections will carry 6 long questions and the last section will carry 2 long questions. There will be total 8 long questions, out of which you have to attempt 5 questions, but the compulsion is you have to choose one question from each section. Mean to say 3 questions will be attempt from each section and the rest of 2 questions can be attempt from any of the section. The first one is about sociological theory. इमरानी नज़रियात का मुताला करेंगे, जिसमें आप देख सकते हैं दोनों तरह के हम थेरीज को कवर करेंगे. द फर्स्ट चैप्टर विल बी अबाउट फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ सोशलॉजिकल थेरी. द नेक्स्ट विल बी अबाउट मुस्लिम थिंकर्स टू सोशोलॉजी, डिस्कसिंग इब्न खल्दून, इमाम गजाली, शाह वलीउल्लाह एंड इलामा इकबाल. The next one will be classical Western theorist Auguste Comte, Emile Durkheim, Karl Marx and Max Weber. The next portion will be about research methodology. In this section we will discuss fundamentals of research, talking about research process, research design, data collection and analysis of data. The last section is about general sociological problems, discussing poverty, crime, environmental pollution and urbanization. The last thing is examination breakup, or you can say paper pattern. Here you can see 3 different points. Number 1, student will attempt 5 questions in total for 20 marks each. You have to attempt total 5 questions and each question will carry 20 marks. The next thing is paper will carry 3 different sections. Student must attempt 1 question from each section. Rest of the 2 questions can be attempted from any section. Number 3, the first two sections will have 3 questions while the last section will have 2 questions. After this course outline and recommended book, I will say please purchase the book, and inshallah in the next class we will properly start sociological theory and its introduction. You can ask about any query that you have regarding book or the course outline. In the last, I will must say, considering the COVID-19 pandemic, please stay safe, stay home, protect your lives and your families. Allah Hafiz.